Imagine having 20 complete online businesses done for you: sales pages, lead magnets, email follow ups, everything, and all with full rights to rebrand and sell as your own. Sounds insane, right? Well, stick around because in this video, I'm going to show you how the new Freedom Business Blueprint bundle can help you start or scale your online business instantly, even if you're a complete beginner. Quick verdict: Freedom Business Blueprint is a powerhouse bundle. You're getting 20 fully packaged PLR business kits, each in a hot niche that you can rebrand, resell, or even use for your own audience. If you've ever struggled with creating content or building products, this is a total shortcut. So, what exactly is Freedom Business Blueprint? It's a mega PLR package that includes 20 done for you business kits. Each kit comes with a lead magnet to attract subscribers, a thank you page plus squeeze page ready to deploy, a 7-day email follow up sequence, a full rebrandable report you can resell or give away. It's designed for affiliate marketers, coaches, consultants, or really anyone who wants to build a list and start selling digital products without spending weeks or months creating content from scratch. Once you log in, here's the members area. You'll see all 20 PLR packages ready for instant download. Each one comes neatly organized with your lead magnet, emails, squeeze pages, and reports. Just pick a niche, customize it with your name or brand, and you're ready to go live. You can import the pages into your autoresponder or funnel builder, upload the report, and start collecting leads and making sales in no time. Now, there are also some optional upgrades. Let me quickly break them down for you. Upsell 1, $47. Extra advanced strategies and resources to get even more value. Upsell 2, $197. A premium high-ticket bundle for serious business builders. Upsell 3 to 6, around $39, $39. 99 each. Done for you resources, tools, and content upgrades. Upsell 7, $97, $297. The ultimate upgrade if you want to go all in and dominate multiple niches fast. Of course, the front end bundle alone is more than enough to get started, but the upgrades give you shortcuts if you want to scale quickly. Now, here's where it gets even better. If you grab Freedom Business Blueprint through the link below, you'll also get my exclusive bonus stack. And trust me, these are worth way more than the price of admission. Here's what you're getting today: Affiliate Funnel Mastery. Learn how to plug these PLR kits into a proven funnel system. Traffic on Demand Blueprint. Step-by-step strategies for driving traffic without ads. Faceless Video Profits. How to turn PLR into faceless YouTube videos. Email Cache Machine. Done-for-you email templates for higher conversions. Rebrand like a pro. Training on how to quickly customize PLR for max profits. DFY Canva templates. Plug-and-play graphics to rebrand your PLR kits instantly. PLR Sales Secrets. How to flip PLR content into high-ticket coaching offers. Social Media Growth Kit. Tools and templates to drive traffic from Facebook and Instagram. List Building Accelerator. Build a 1K plus subscriber list using these kits. VIP Support and Strategy Session. Personal guidance to make sure you actually launch. And remember, these bonuses are only available through the link in the description and only during launch week. So, to wrap it up, Freedom Business Blueprint gives you 20 businesses in a box, full PLR rights, and the ability to rebrand, resell, or use them to grow your own list. If you've ever wanted a shortcut to start your online business, this is it. But here's the catch: the price goes up after 6 days, and my exclusive bonus stack is only available to the first 25 buyers. Once the timer hits 0, the bonuses are gone. So don't wait. Click the link below right now and secure your copy before the launch ends. All right, guys, that's it for today's review. If you found this helpful, make sure to like this video, drop a comment below if you have any questions, and of course, subscribe for more reviews just like this. Most importantly, don't miss out. Hit the first link in the description, grab Freedom Business Blueprint, and I'll send you all my exclusive bonuses instantly after purchase. See you on the inside.